there, I'm Jennie McGarvey and I do a lot of social media and blog work for FSJ. You might have seen me writing something witty on the blog, or maybe not, but today we are going to talk all about planners. Now, as you may or may not know, FSJ has two different awesome sizes of planners, both the A5 and the personal. So let's get started and talk about the A5 a little bit, shall we? FSJ started with the two Webster's Pages binders, and they are both metallic finish and they're really super cute. Now inside the cool pool, we have a really pretty pewter color right here, you see that, and the nice sturdy rings. You'll never worry that your things are going to fall out or anything like that. Your pages are really secure. And we also have this fun heart. So if you're looking for something a little bit more playful, this one is really pretty. Now, these planners don't come with any inserts, and what's really cool about that is that you can choose the ones that you prefer. So maybe you like a blank monthly calendar, and you can get these blank monthly pages, and let me show you those because they're very cool. So you get the monthly page, and then you also get room for listing, and you also get a little dot grid. So if you want to do a little bit of journaling or bullet journaling or anything like that, and you can write down all your appointments and then add a little bit of decoration as well. Now, the other one are a traditional weekly view. So if you like a little bit more of a weekly view, you can do that. But what's really cool about these is that they have the beautiful floral all over the pages right there. So do you see that right there? It's so pretty and really unique. And not only that, but unique to FSJ as well. So you can choose either of those inserts to go inside. Now this year in 2018, FSJ launched two additional A5 calendars, or binders, excuse me, and they are beautiful. So we have the buffalo plaid one. I just love the black and white. It's really timeless and so pretty. And what's cool about these is that they already come with these inserts. So this is going to come with this planner. Now the difference is, there's a couple of differences between the FSJ and the Webster's Pages. The rings are a little bit smaller on this one. Now what that does, and what's really exciting about that, is that you can have this, it's much more compact. You can slide it right into your bag. There's nothing that is going to get you hung up because there's no clasp. So you see on the Webster's Pages that it does come with a clasp, which is really awesome if you are throwing this in a bag repeatedly and you're worried about things falling out. Or maybe you just like the clasp because it is kind of cute. It does have this little detail right there. But if you want to smoothly be able to place this in your bag, you can do that without anything hanging it up. And it's also just a tiny bit smaller as well. I don't know if you can see that, but you can see the bigger dimension of the Webster's Pages planner. It's just ever so slightly bigger, okay? So that's very exciting about these FSJ planners as well. So we already talked about the rings. Let's look at the inside of this beautiful floral. Isn't it so pretty? I love the pattern. It's super cute. And then not only that, but isn't that gorgeous? So it's a little bit different than the pages that come inside the buffalo check. I think that's really neat that they both come with their own individual insides to go with that. But like I said, the rings are a little bit smaller and it's a little bit more compact. So if you're looking to take your planner with you on the go, these are a really nice option, and they already come with pages. What's cool about this is that you can use these because they're undated, so you can use them anytime you like. So say you don't plan for a couple of days because maybe you're on vacation or something like that. No worries. You don't have to worry about the fact that you didn't plan. Now, let's say that you want to personalize your planner just a little bit beyond your pages, but you don't want to go crazy, right? You want to just keep it simple. You can add these photo sleeves inside as well, and just maybe put a little photo inside of your family. Maybe just embellish it a tad, because you don't want to go crazy. You just want to add something a little bit personal, but you just don't want to add a ton of extra stuff. So these sleeves are really great for that. Even if you don't decorate them, maybe use them to tuck receipts or things that you need to store. They're really versatile and very, very handy to have. Now, the other size that we have is a personal size, and you may be very familiar with these because this is sort of a traditional size planner. FSJ has 4 different designs, and I'm going to show you 2 of them right here. We have this beautiful black and white stripe. It's very classic, very timeless, and then this gorgeous rose gold as well. Now you open it up and it has the same really sturdy, awesome the ring mechanism, as we already talked about. Okay, this one has the silver. So it's really fun. No matter which design you choose, you're going to get something that really coordinates very nicely as well. And like I said, this size is just really easy to take on the go, put in a bag. It's a little bit smaller. Let me show you. It's a little bit smaller than the A5 size, right? You can see that. So it's maybe a little bit more portable, maybe a little bit more what you're used to, because it does have a traditional, this is what they've been selling for years and years and years in terms of planners. Now, the same thing is true. We have the same inserts. We have those monthly ones that we already shared with you that have the dot grid, and then also those beautiful pages that have the monthly and the weekly with the really pretty floral accents in the corners. But those are just all so easy to customize. And one of the last things is this really cool folio. So you're thinking, okay, I have my planner, but I want to take some pens, I want to take a little bit of washi, my pair of scissors with me. Enter the folio. The white color goes with any planner. So say you have the rose gold planner, it looks great together. You have the cool pool, it goes wonderfully as well. So it's always going to coordinate. And then you can open it up and keep all of your things inside. So it has 4 pockets, like this one right here. I've just stored a few rolls of washi in there. I have my sticky notes. They're just wonderful for just jotting little things down. I can keep my pens, I can keep my scissors, I can keep anything that I might need. And say I need to add, my debit card because I don't want to take my entire wallet. The zipper makes it so that I don't have to worry that I'm going to lose any of those items as well. I hope you've enjoyed this look at all of the different planners that Fun Stamper's Journey has to offer. If you'd like to have more information, you can head to our website, funstampersjourney.com. Thank you so much, and plan a fun day.